Hey there, ever heard the saying that your heart stops when you sneeze? Let's dive into this age-old myth and find out if it's fact or fiction. When you sneeze, your body goes through a lot of changes. Your chest contracts, your eyes close, and yes, your heart rhythm can change. But does it actually stop? The truth is, your heart doesn't stop beating during a sneeze. It might skip a beat or change its rhythm, but it keeps on ticking. So why do people think it stops? It's likely because sneezing can make you feel a bit off balance. But rest assured, your heart is still doing its job. Next time you sneeze, remember, your heart's got your back. So myth busted, your heart doesn't stop when you sneeze. Got any other myths you want debunked? Drop them in the comments below.